This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel diagonally opposite the wheel to be removed. Using the special anti-theft wheel bolt adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel bolts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced bracket midway along the door sill. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the rear subframe front mounting point. Fully unscrew the bolts and remove the wheel. Carefully prise the retaining spring from place. Remove the plastic caps. Then using a 7mm Allen key or bit, slacken and remove the upper and lower guide pins. Unclip the speed sensor wiring harness, then slide the caliper from place. Suspend the caliper from the vehicle body using a length of wire to prevent straining the rubber hose. Pull the inner pad from the caliper piston. Prise the outer pad from the mounting bracket. Measure the brake pad friction material. If any pad is worn down to 2mm or less, all 4 rear brake pads must be renewed. Clean the mounting bracket and the caliper with a brush and brake cleaner. Check the caliper piston dust seal for damage or deterioration. Check that the guide pins are an easy sliding fit in the caliper without excessive play. If new pads are to be fitted, the piston must be pushed fully back into the caliper body. This is best achieved with a piston retraction tool, although a G-clamp will suffice. As the piston is retracted, keep an eye on the fluid level in the master cylinder reservoir. Remove any surplus fluid with a syringe or similar. Apply a little high-temperature grease to the bracket contact points on the inner pad backing plate. Press the pad retaining clip firmly into the piston. Apply a little grease to the outer pad backing plate contact points, then slide the pad into place in the bracket. Ensure the friction material is against the disc face. Slide the caliper and inner pad into place over the disc and clip the wiring harness into position. Lubricate the guide pins with silicone grease, then insert them and tighten to the specified torque. Refit the plastic caps. Engage the ends of the retaining spring with the holes in the caliper body, then lever the spring into place on the mounting bracket. Check to ensure the spring is correctly fitted. Repeatedly depress the brake pedal to bring the pads into full contact with the disc. Repeat the whole procedure on the remaining rear brake. Refit the wheel to the hub and align the mounting bolt holes. Insert the bolts and lightly tighten them. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the wheel bolts to the specified torque. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The fluid level must be between the maximum and minimum marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the area around the top of the reservoir. Then rotate the filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. Firmly close the bonnet and check it's secure.